My ninjas, what's up? This is your host, the Internet Income Ninja, with another video up in here on how you can make money online. If you appreciate the content I've been sharing, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like the video, comment on it, and share whatever thoughts you may have. Successes, highs, lows, queries, concerns, you name it, hit me up. I'll answer as best as I can. Today's video is brought to us by a company called Luxury Presence. Luxury Presence is seeking a social media and community manager, and they want you to work remotely from home. They have not given any specification as to which country you should be from, so the assumption is they want someone qualified who lives anywhere in the world, as long as you have the ability to perform the job well and internet connection and all that good stuff. Now, they are a real estate company, and it says that we help real estate teams thrive online. It's an all-in-one platform to build a beautiful online presence used by over 20 of the WSJ top 100 agents. Okay, so if you want to read more about the company and what they're about, you can check out their website. They were featured on Entrepreneur, Inman, Success, and Realty Times. So, build your brand and cut through the noise with a stunning, best-in-class real estate website. So they are a part of real estate, and they focus on everything on the. I don't want to say the back end, but in terms of your website, your leads, all of that stuff, they're the go-to team for that kind of stuff. Okay, apply to our exclusive referral network of the world's most successful agents and teams. See, there's a networking portion of it. So yeah, check them out. So the lead is as follows. Again, it's a social media and community manager. You'll work remotely, operations, brand marketing, and it's a full-time role. Now, Luxury Presence is a VC-funded Stanford StartX accelerated startup building a premium platform to provide real estate agents with stunning websites, world-class marketing tools and services, and access to an exclusive network. So, like I said, the back-end software side of things. We are looking for a social media and community manager to join our brand marketing team. As a social media and community manager, you will create a strategic, long-term social marketing plan that increases trust and credibility while building an engaged community of followers internally and externally. So is this you? Are you gifted at communication? You are clear, calm, and warm when speaking with clients. You are interested in getting to know the stories of other individuals. You think outside the box with the best outcome in mind. If you establish effective reporting processes and cadences that keep track of all key performance indicators, KPIs. Do you work with numbers? You understand that a quantifiable goal is helpful in the creative process rather than a limitation. Do you have monitored and responded to customer service or management issues on the social web, collected external feedback and distributed it up to appropriate internal teams? You have a bias for action. You have experience creating and facilitating processes for consistent content creation on social media accounts. Have you worked at an agency or have been a freelance consultant? Do you have graphic design, video production, or photography expertise is a plus. You command collaboration, you value input from everyone. Startup hustle and teamwork, Mondays and project management. Your opportunities for impact. You'll assist in launching new digital communities, create strategies to foster engagement and build value, gather and apply valuable feedback for full project launches. Now, Luxury Presence is a real estate SaaS company, that's software as a service company, providing real estate agents and companies with cutting-edge software to grow their business. An official partner to 4 of the largest national brokerages. Luxury Presence was founded by Malt Kramer, a Stanford GSB graduate, and is backed by Silicon Valley's Switch Ventures, Toba Capital, and Bessemer Ventures. Luxury Presence was recognized in 2020 as the 322nd fastest growing private company in America by Inc. and as a best place to work by Built in LA. The company launched in 2016 and its client list includes leading realtors and companies who purchase template-based websites, a home search tool, listing referral network, content marketing tools, SEO, lead generation, and online advertising. Luxury Presence currently has 2,000 plus clients, including 22 of the WSJ top 100 agents. Luxury Presence is an equal opportunity employer. All qualified applicants will receive consideration for employment without regard to race, color, religion, sex, sexual orientation, gender identity, or national origin. And applying is easy. Click the apply for job button. And there you go. It's that simple. Again, check their website out. They weren't joking. It is a stunning website. Clean. The quality looks like something from the Hamptons. It looks like a pretty posh, nice place to work. Clearly, they are all about results, being one of the fastest growing private companies in the US, and given the level of the clientele, if you see the homes that they're advertising, you will see that some of their clients are they're raking in money, and they want someone to create the kind of content and manage the kind of content that will give Luxury Presence the image it's trying to maintain. So guys, that's it for this lead. It sounds like a really good deal. They did not mention pay. I believe they will talk about that in the interview, and considering that they didn't mention it outright, then it tells me that there's room to negotiate. So if you are someone who's good with content creation, social media marketing, and that kind of stuff, go ahead, apply for this role. You are a follower and subscriber of this channel, and only the best subscribe to this channel. You move stealthily like ninjas do, and you slay it every single day. Make money online. Oh, and by the way, even if you came across this video because you're interested in it for a friend or family member that you're going to share with, if you are interested in starting your own company, check the links in the description below. These links are really good links. They take you to information that will share with you how to start your own online business that will generate up to $1,000 or more per day, all from the comfort of home. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Don't forget to like the video, comment on it, and share it. Again, check the links in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. All the best in your online endeavors. Make that money rain. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Hi.